Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining us again. And I say us, look.
Us.
It is an us. John's here and actually Wendy's here somewhere as well.
There she is.
Look, where?
Yeah.
Oh, she heard me.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Hey.
In today's episode, we are going to get done what we were supposed to get done in the last week's episode, basically. Get the bike on its wheels, standing on its centre stand, looking like a bike again, minus the engine. Is that a fair goal?
We'll try.
I was slightly ambitious last week. We didn't quite get it finished, I'm sorry. But we're going to do it in this episode. Slightly ambitious. More good news, actually. I've found Ace Classics in London. Never heard of them before. My ignorance again. They do a load of the parts that we need for this bike, and I've ordered a load of them. They're in this box. John doesn't know what's in the box, so
what's
probably
in the box?
yeah. I don't know if you want to know what's in the box, John. More work. So maybe we should start with getting that open. Full house. Look, they're obviously busy there at Ace Classic.
Daily Mirror, mate. That's well beyond me. All right. Oh no.
The lucky dip. That's it. Don't look. No peeking. There you go.
Ooh. Right mouth.
Bars.
Yeah, boy.
Look at that. Look at it. Look at that smile. It's like Christmas Day for him. They're cool.
Yeah, they're cool. I'd like to see them up against the old ones.
I'd like to see them on the bike.
God, man, they do a lot of reading.
Look, hang on, look, Wendy's helping. I knew she'd want to help. Oh, she's just doing a stick.
Oh, this is just... Okay.
Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Again, another item I really hope fits because they were expensive.
Oh, sorry, Dom, I'm just going to have to... Oh, look.
Oh,
Look good.
oh,
Oh, look, Dom.
that's it.
That's a fast improv. Oh,
Pair of rear shocks
yes, well done.
with bolts.
That's the bolts.
That's the bolts.
Well done, mate, well done.
Everything we need to get the bike on its wheels. No? Yeah.
Yes, Dom. There is slight resistance.
In the new bushes.
Yeah. I am tempted to maybe have a little bit more of an adjustment.
Ends up being fixed to the frame, pressed
So
into
this
the
will be
frame,
here.
and that will sit there.
This goes in there, and this pin will sit right through the middle.
I like it.
It's a good plan. But of course, first things first, that has got to fit through there. And there we go. All right, that's it. Onto the clamp, Dom. No, some just up there.
No.
I know you like using the penetrating on them.
Outside, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's
Not really enough depth there.
This is not cool. Ah, look.
Let me just hit it with a hammer. In it goes, look at that. Right, now let's try the clamp. It doesn't like that.
Doesn't it like that? Yes, it does. That was it. That's a required sound.
We just got excited. We've got overexcited and put the front end together. We should have started with this bush. With a swing.
The swing arm should have been first job. First job should have been getting that one.
Anyone else out there about to restore an old Triumph?
Don't do what we've done.
Do the swing. Do the swing arm first. Don't build up the entire front end. And now we're going to resort to the press because the clamp's not working. John's getting upset that I'm hammering it, which I agree with, to be fair. He's absolutely right, I will admit it. We'll take the front wheel back off and try and manhandle it into the press, and it will just press in. It's going in, but just it's tight. I reckon it's about there. Straight through, look at that. Yes. Go on, John. Sit there, hold it there. We're having some trouble. Again, shocker. This bike is fighting us again. We've got we've got the rear bush in. That's done. The rear swing arm is on, working really nicely, and that was a raging success actually. Packed with grease, it's all good. So something has gone well. Now we're trying to bolt the rest of the frame on, which has kind of led to the back section of frame also needs to bolt on the pegs, the brake bar, the various other sort of components, the side stand, all these other bits share bolts. So we're trying to bolt the frame together, but then we also have to bolt on all these other pieces. I'm trying to lay it all out on the floor, and John's trying to find the nuts and bolts, and he's struggling. I've replaced as many as the ones I could get hold of. I've got new ones, but we're just trying to sift through the original nuts and bolts that we took off, which aren't all original, and try and make do with what we got, but he's getting stressed.
It's been another long day, but don't forget when you're stressed, I'm only a call away.
So yeah, there we go. Literally all the wrong spanners, all the wrong sockets, and all the Queen's men. But
Couldn't put the Tiger back together again.
so this is a beautiful, shiny Harley Davidson shock I've been supplied.
John, I thought you'd be a bit happier after lunch. Was lunch okay?
Lunch very nice, thank you, Dom. The lobster was a bit.
Yeah. Slide that in there. That's it.
Look at that. Well, it was meant to be, Dom.
She's watching you. She's learning.
With bated breath.
She's learning.
Blimey.
Whilst John has been working on the rear shocks and the last few bits on the frame, I have been prepping a load of bits on the table to get ready to rebuild the rear wheel. Yes, we're going to have a fight with the rear tyre again. Are you ready for that, John? He's ready, tyre levers at the ready. We know what we're doing now. Same as the front wheel. So we'll put the rear tyre on, then we'll put the wheel bearings in, rebuild, get the axle in, and then rebuild the brakes, get the shoes in, and all of that built back up. And then the rear wheel will be done, and we can roll it into the back of the frame. Getting close.
Look how big it is.
I know, but I think hopefully we'll be alright. It's a chain.
Tyre, look.
Of course. Oh, probably that.
It's about there.
Yeah.
You reckon that's it?
No, don't keep pumping it.
Do you reckon that's it? I'll just pump it a bit more.
One for luck.
Yeah, well, clearly.
Go on. Go on. God, this one's a lot harder.
This one's a lot harder.
There you go.
Like that. Easy as that.
And if you need me to leave, I have no reason to stay. If time is slow, at least you know I'm only a call away.
Oh, yes.
Thought of living without you.
Oh.
I gently bent these.
Go on, get some speed up, John.
I think things are going to become
Wendy.
very unstable.
Wendy can't stand there.
I thought this is doing.
That's too tight.
It's doing my back
Have
one.
you got a skinnier one?
There's three to choose from.
Where's the others?
I had an easier job.
John, I'm doing it.
Or anything.
No, don't need it.
They are aggressive, aren't they?
Look at that. We've done it. Mission accomplished. It's taken a week longer than I'd hoped, but we've got all of the pieces on. The bike is back on its wheels. The side stand's on. The bars are on, finally, and they look great. Thank you, Ace Classics. I just want to put the tank on there and sit the seat on and see what it looks like. Come on, John. We've got to. We've got to.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Go on then, front first.
Front first.
Get one in the front.
Just make it awkward for
Yeah. It's hooky. It's very rusty.
I see, it's horrible, dude.
I know, but I just wanted to see it. That's it.
That's it.
Oh my! Wow, we nearly dropped it already. Well, I don't want to alarm you, John, but it does suit you.
Well, I can picture you riding up down the repair shop on it.
Yeah, exactly. We just need an engine.
We have got one, but it's not very well. We need to mend that. Will it get me home?
Not quite yet.
Not today.
Not today. Well, mission accomplished. We've got there.
I'm sitting on it.
Literally, the bike is back on its wheels and looking like a bike again. I know the tank and the seat are just balanced on there for now, but everything else is pretty much buttoned up and on there. There's a lot of bits, I know. Brakes, brake levers, the throttle, the rear mudguard, and obviously the engine. Thank you so much to everybody that has commented about having an aluminium tank on this gooseneck frame without that triangle strut. I know, we're very aware. We're going to make a kind of bolt-on roll cage bar, like a strengthening bar that fixes on. Brace is a fantastic word. We're going to make our brace that fits on the frame, bolts end to end, and then the tank will go over the top. So don't worry about us folding this aluminium tank in half. It's only going to sit on top of a structure that we're going to make. We just haven't quite got there yet. But thank you for everybody for commenting and letting us know. The rear brake, the rear light.
Let's have some levers, yeah.
The levers. Okay, next episode will be all the fiddly bits that will probably take a lot more time. But yeah, next episode, all the fiddly bits. We'll get on it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Leave us a comment, any feedback, where we've gone wrong. I'm sure we have.
Yeah, not too much.
Yeah, okay. Go easy on us, yeah. But thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.